A really good use of a data logger is to record the terminal potential difference across a battery and the current through the battery as you change the resistance in the circuit by varying the resistance of a rheostat or variable resistor. You can quickly gather a terminal potential difference against current graph without having to leave the batteries connected up for very long, which quickly runs them down. It's also very quick to demonstrate if you're doing a revision lesson on this required practical. You can see that as you increase the current, the potential difference across the terminals of the battery reduces, and that's because of lost potential difference across the internal resistance of the batteries. Let's look at how to set this up. So we've got our basic circuit, which is the batteries in series, which then is going to go into the top connection on a rheostat, which is acting as a variable resistor. The current's then going to go round and round and round and round and round, and then out of the bottom connection of the rheostat or variable resistor into the current sensor, and then back to the batteries. We have then got a voltage sensor connected across the batteries in parallel, and it's important when you're setting this up that the black or negative terminal of the voltage and current sensors is connected in the same place. So here I've got it connected to the negative terminal of the batteries for both of them. Those two sensors are then plugging into the data logger, which is connected to the computer. We're now ready to connect the circuit up, start data logging the current and potential difference to make the graph. The circuit only needs to be connected up for a minimum amount of time, and then you reduce the resistance of the rheostat by sliding it down, and once you've got your complete set of data, you can stop the data logging and unplug the circuit so that you don't waste the batteries. So if you've got the kit to do it, data logging the terminal potential difference and current when you're doing an internal resistance investigation is very straightforward.